when person go just they find love, only and by himself go they look for love. I don't understand the kind of way in they find for inside here. Anyway, we get better guests for inside this place. The guest where we get today now, graduate of computer science from Olabisi University, and he specialized for computer comedy. Yes, computer comedy. Because computer comedy. He read computer engineering, but it turned out to computer comedy. For sake of say the comedy when they do, you know they raw or vulgar. Yes, now comedian, and his name now Lucky Child. You clap myself. I don't understand.
After that kind of profile, on our 3 no fusion and class.
No, okay.
Repeat again.
Repeat.
I'm a graduate of computer science from Olabisi Ogbonge University, but right now they do computer comedy. We get better person, Lucky Child.
Woo! Thank you.
All right, Lucky Child, before you start to feel lucky because you are blessed among the women.
Oh my God.
Catch one corner. Well, okay, we don't give men tips them on how to keep their women. Yes. And number 1, we say they're very important, but say you listen to the woman. And number 2, we say they're very important, but say you do it and you show care to the woman. You actually believe her?
Very, very well, I believe
All right.
Number 3.
So now, number 3, respect her. Okay. This person Tosin talk say, respect her opinion, respect her effort. He said maybe she did overweight and she did make effort to lose weight. Appreciate and respect those efforts. Not tell her, say, you don't understand. This is a serious matter. And when should they give you our own opinion? No, say when should they give you our own opinion, men go say, you don't understand. This one actually like serious matter. They talk like woman, that's serious matter. He said, let her know that our opinion counts. And if you respect her, then you not go cheat on her.
Who talk that thing? Tosin talk well, not be lying. Yeah. But if you say more respect her, you go get the level of the respect we're going to give them, because them wanna be the them now.
Yes.
You know, say you got the respect to give woman.
Yeah.
If you too give her, she can't forget say now you be the man. So as they give her the respect, make sure they remember say you be the man with the respect and so. Honestly spoken.
No, well, my own respect be say, no make me look stupid for where people do.
Yes.
Even when I talk with it, no make sense. Try to even cover me up. Those kind of respect, they're very important to me. Or maybe I know say I do waiting no good. You know, go stroke me for public.
Yes.
Stroke me for where you supposed to stroke me, so that I go actually play back waiting happen. Yeah. Then I go actually realize, so that the word sorry no go dey heavy. You know, say why do they say you don't even say sorry? Now because the way you tap, you don't tell me sorry. You don't tell me sorry. No, I'm not gonna tell you sorry. Calm down, tell me so that I understand what I do. True. Because originally I no be saying I intentionally I take do what I do. So for you to talk, say if you tell her. She go respect her. Sometimes she go on. No. It depends on how you take care of.
Yeah.
Just
to add to that. Now, how you take respect your woman? 9 people outside go take respect.
Oh, definitely.
All right. Yes. The last one, be say you go give her every dose of better touch lighting.
Oh my God! Every dose of better touch lighting.
Yeah.
You know, say me, I come from Delta State.
And you are a married man.
Explain. And you are my brother.
Oh my God. I know, say for Delta, we get oil for the land.
So.
And as we get oil for the land, also get oil for body. So Delta men, then they touch light where? Any woman this and touch.
Bro, you not talk well.
Sorry, I mean Delta men.
He's a married man.
My wife can testify.
We shall bring your wife to come and testify.
She don't collect herself as I tell her.
Okay, let's give him cocoa of the day, please. So we actually go with all the
definitely, yes.
Everything make brain.
Yes.
Everything make brain.
All right.
Okay, sharply. Now that we don't have to do, I thought say I don't get cocoa of the day just because I hear say Lucky Child dey come. I get cocoa of the day. You know what I want to ask you? I want everybody.
Wait. If you whisper, give me before you talk.
No, everybody. I want ask everybody. Now, true say girl, when give man so many things, when she do finish. When he do finish. Now, true say girl will give to man after they don't meet once when they meet though, the man no go respect them again.
Well, now the other way around though, even if the girl don't see the man, she no go respect the man again. So nobody if man don't see girl.
Why she no go respect the man again?
Because now the story from Bible, when Adam never discover respect day. But the moment they chop apple, we can't discover respect not called day again.
But you know, say they talk say girls, we need to play hard to get, because if the man gets you just freely, say the man no go respect you again.
play hard to get.
Yes, at least
You know,
give her
say
like 2 months. before you
Anybody
say
play
yes.
hard to get, no get many club now.
Beautiful.
Messi play hard to get, he don't leave Barcelona. Nah, joke by the way.
Not serious.
Well, okay, play hard to get. Let me look at it this way. If you know say this guy, now guy I know say if I give her my all, he go protect me. Give her all, but not give her that somia. What do you call him again?
Touch lighting.
We come, sorry. That's sorry, don't give her. Because my wife, now I think she do be that too.
Okay.
For 4 years of paro, me and she run.
She not give you.
She tell me, say, if I love her, ma wait until the day where I go gather money, give the papa, where they call bride price. For 4 years. I'm not sorry.
But you took her outside, Abi? For 4 years, but you took her outside.
You dey browse for outside. Like computer science you read.
You're not branch for
No,
you.
I'm not branch. I'm not branch. Now for national TV be this now.
He browse, but he not branch. He browse.
I'm not branch. Now I'm very quiet. Honestly speaking.
So from a man's mouth now, make girls not play hard to get.
Yes, girl, not play hard to get, but get principle. Okay. Tell yourself, say, see what I want to do for this relationship. Guy, if you really love me, not be forever. So not rush. They say hot agidi they born. Kuda shopper. Man, not hot agidi they born.
You don't chop agidi before.
I don't.
The hot one.
Echo.
You never
chop hot.
You never chop hot one. You put them for
You
mouth.
will hate
Are you
yourself.
serious?
Put them for mouth. So it's
As
better
if-
when it cold.
As he follow enter man, I say they follow come outside.
They sell am now.
No, maybe you think that they make her.
They make am down.
They go make-
Yeah, I don't see until they make am down. They just go peak.
No,
And
no.
never they hot. I never peak.
me.
Wait, you mean say like this now you won't find where hot agidi dey?
I want to see where hot.
Better na Google her.
That's why
You
we
get
say
body casual, my sister. Body casual.
Yes. All right, so on top of the body casual, what we did today. Now, you know, say we all girls, like we tell our first talk when we start the show, she talks saying, now Friday, let your hair loose. Now, so our bag, our handbag, it a day scattered. You don't ever enter inside motor, you dey confused. You don't know where money dey inside bag.
Yes.
Now, make will carry this one. How to arrange your handbag. Now we give you this
I
small
need it.
video. Make you enjoy it. You dey come back.
All right, my people, on top of body casual today, when I know saying Quimby, they always say bring on everything. I don't walk around, sniff around, just think about one thing where I know say they worry so many of now. We dey talk about bag today. Which type of bag you they carry come out? You go see some people where they very chunkuli, or small. Go carry big bags and you go confuse say waiting day inside that bag. You know, say we ladies so they like to carry plenty load. But I tell you, waiting they cost all these things now because you know if you organize your bag. But today on top of this video, you go see them. Waiting I carry for hand now na section that they call them, that they sell them for shops. If you go ask. Put your books or your bag, your biro, your pen, everything for where it's supposed to be. Arrange them well so that you get enough space to carry them. Like this bag where you see say it get like 3 sections. The first section put all the things where you know say must follow you waka. The middle one put all those change where you know say you need. And the other one just puts all the things where you know say you fit need. Now opportunity for you to take arrange your bag be this one. And the side of the bag, you fit put your phone, you fit put your key. Imagine say you take Okada or you take bus, you dey struggle to look for where you keep money. You know say that one a long thing, you go just want dip your hand, bring out the money. That's why I decide to buy purse inside my bag, as you dey see for this video. Get purse for your change, get purse for the hard money where you hold for hand. When I mean hard money, I mean money where plenty. That one you know say you no go want reach out to ramp all the time. Organize your bag, arrange your bag, because from your handbag, 9 people go fit identify who you be. This one na body casual and na Quimby, they bring them on top of talk. What do you think about this one?
Hey, Quimby,
I'm guilty. Quimby, I'm guilty.
We
of it.
actually need that training. We handbag. If you use and travel for 1 month, you no go lack anything.
Like everything.
I dey tell you.
Which it is very
Now
good.
where else you carry
It
that?
is very good if you
No,
don't
it's not
single.
good.
No,
It's
listen.
scattered.
It gets some things where you dey see for we bag. If you see now where they say they type
scattered.
up off. inside her bag.
It's really scattered.
On top
I don't
national
like
TV.
it.
It get shoe polish.
It's good.
It get one comedy where Us Baby been don't do that one time like this very long ago. Where it was said he meets corn inside the girl handbag. Now it's like corn, how far?
Roasted corn.
Yes, roasted corn. The thing be say it good may you get everything for inside bag as a young lady or even person where they breastfeed picking, but you got to arrange it so that when you want, you know Lagos now everybody is in a rush. When you want to enter bus, you they look for money. It was so slappy for us.
So, what we ask them, how you go feel if you check woman bag, you see plenty things inside. You go like them, or you like make it they arranged?
Well, the plenty things so there, so we thought this way better than mention. Say today your bag. I
No, she just the over there. Not the day.
I tush babe like you go.
Not the day. Not mine.
Producer, bring her bag.
Tush babe.
Bring the wee
Even I say
bag.
now, yeah, we go something. Show don't finish. You understand? Show don't finish. Lucky Child, thank you so much for coming on our show. If you want to watch Lucky Child, the day for Red Eye. I did red. What time? Which time?
On Saturday, 8 p.m. Every Saturday, 8 p.m.
On
We'll be full for that show. We did one package.
On top of Wazobia TV, watch them on Saturday, 8 p.m.
Yes.
And you go watch all the things that they carry take join body. Those people. Young Betty. Anyway, my name still remains to be Eyiga. We go meet tonight on Monday in peace and not in pieces.
My name is Betiana Unweli. You don't ever call my son name.
Amaka Okudia for enjoy in our weekend.
All right, now them I want to remain Queen Bee or Balu.
I better help us talk as we always talk not be bad thing, but make you know it's talk about.
I don't wait for this thing since I like. I don't get to tell them it's 30 for the other.